Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, special features, and fun. Now, many people, when they hear of Jamaica, they think of reggae music, or they just think of music because here it's all about the music, all about the vibe. And there is a particular entertainer who goes by the name of Konshens, and he has won himself pride of place in the hearts of so many people based on the lyrical content of his music, based on the persona that he displays. Very vibesy, but also very conscious. You know, my son has had to correct me so many times because I call him conscious and he says, no, it's not conscious, it's conscience. Well, I think he's just a conscious conscience. So, anyway, enough of my babbling. I was very excited just yesterday. I saw a presentation with Jamaica Tourist Board, and this young artist has been sharing his love for Jamaica land we love. You know, the little song we say, Sweet, sweet Jamaica, na left ya, I can saltfish, na left ya. All of that wonderful thing, because there are just so many ways to fall in love with Jamaica, and we fall in love with this wonderful land over and over again. So join us. Let us hear what entertainer extraordinaire Konshens has to say about Jamaica, land we love.
Living in Jamaica is an experience that you cannot put in words. There's an energy in the atmosphere that just feels good. There's so many aspects of Jamaica that I think makes it second to none. The best food, the best music, the best people. We can go on and on about the good things about living in Jamaica. There's a parish in Jamaica called Portland. I think that's one of my favorite places to be. It's one of the most nature-oriented parishes, and I love the nightlife in Kingston. Once you come here and you get that connection with the people, that connection with the food and the music and just the lifestyle is something that you'll always remember. People should visit Jamaica because I'm sure 100% that it is the place to be on planet Earth. You need to come here and you'll get that experience that you will never forget.